So here is I want to tell you about how to edit Figma file. It's very simple. What you need to do is if someone share with you a file link and it's not editable because it was shared from their free version and you have also free version of Figma, so you can't do any changes or any edits, right? What you can do is if it's only viewable, so whenever you click here you can't do any change. You need to click here, this one, duplicate to your drafts. When I click here, then I see here an option. So it's making a copy and in my account. So then I can make changes. I can make updates in these documents. It's very simple. And yeah. So if I want to make any change here, so I can just click here. I can make and I can update any component here, right? So it's very simple. So in this way you can do. Thank you very much. I hope you got the idea like how to do this one. Thank you.